Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. Let's talk about Razer Viper V4 Pro best setting. So, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that your firmware is updated to the latest version, making sure that there's no integrated bugs or missing files within the mouse itself. You have to navigate through the Razer Viper V4 firmware and just simply download the official file from the Razer itself. Right after, of course, let's head over to the Razer Signups application. And from here, you can just everything at default for the custom button. But of course, if you want to set your own macros, you could simply do so. Now, when you're setting up your macros for the first time, you will notice that the left click is disabled. The reason why is this will actually prevent us from disabling the left click. So in order to set macros for your left click, you have to first set your left click to another button. Right after, let's head over to the DPI settings. Of course, this is going to be completely personal, but setting up higher DPS can actually reduce pixel skipping, and it will make your polling rates a lot better. And also, speaking of polling rates, of course, for that one, you could maybe set it to around 1000 to simply reduce battery drain itself. Setting this to a higher number will significantly increase your mouse performance, but it will actually drain your battery more. So right after, for the asymmetric cutoff, you just want to make sure that the lift off distance and the landing distance is at 12 or 13. So basically from there, you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.